Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when pulling out the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 9 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. And then disconnect the fingerprint connector. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Gently take out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and 2 antenna heads from the board. Next, gently pull out the charging and headphone jack board from the body. Next, take out the not working vibrator motor using a tweezer. The motor is holding firmly and you might need to apply some heat to soften the adhesive. For this, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Next, place and secure the new vibrator motor in the body. Next, place and secure the charging port and headphone jack board in the body. Next, secure the LCD plug and two antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the fingerprint plug and then connect the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before closing the device, turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to secure the clips. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.